We are hydromulching in the Gabilan Valley Training Area 15. This site is a historic problem in that water flows off the road and into a gully that when these guys started, it was 10 to 15 feet deep in some areas. And if you've got a maneuver situation where troops are maneuvering in the dark and they aren't running with any kind of lights, that could be a hazard. And so what we've done is take soil from either side and put it into the gully and compact it. And now we're putting native seed mixed with a mulch that is dyed green so that we can see where we have sprayed the mulch. And then the whole mixture is held together with a glue that's made from seaweed. And so the entire setup gets broadcast over this site, and it will dry. The mulch, which is green now, will turn brown eventually. And then we'll come back after we're done putting the seed and the mulch and the glue out, and we'll blow straw over the top of that. And that's usually good for about 2 years. They're using a mixture of native seeds. We've got California poppy, sky lupine, tidy tips, and a 3-week fescue. And then we've also got a mixture of perennial plants. These are the needlegrasses that are found on that hill right across from us. You can see all the needlegrasses that are dotting that landscape. We've also got some buckwheat, California buckwheat, that we collect by hand. This is going to look great when we come back here in the late spring, early summer, after a good set of rain. This will all be coming in wildflowers and native grasses. And this is why I love my job.